Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri A.L. Hek today launched a tribute song titled Aao Khaye Kasam, composed by the Meghalaya Police, which is dedicated to all the frontline warriors in combating the COVID-19 pandemic at a program held at the conference room of the police headquarters, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, the Health Minister lauded the Police Department for coming up with this initiative in order to instill hope among the frontline workers and to bring a sense of encouragement in carrying out their duties. He informed that besides this, the police force and the state have been contributing in many ways towards the betterment of the general public and the state as a whole. In order to safeguard and protect ourselves and our fellow citizens from this disease, it is our responsibility to unite and fight together to defeat this invisible enemy, he added. Others who were present include Shri R. Chandranathan, Meghalaya DGP, Srimati I. Nongrang, Additional DGP, LNO, Shri H. Nongpulo, Additional DGP, SBI CID, Srimati M. War Nongbri, Secretary Information and Public Relations, Shri B. S. Solia, Director Information and Public Relation, among others.
Every one of us. Don't take us only because we are in the government employees, the police department or the health department, as a simple citizens of our country, simple citizens of our state. It's our duty and responsibility to fight against this COVID-19 and protect. That's why we need to give more awareness. We have seen in many places, people are hesitant to take the vaccine. I'm telling you, the shield only who will protect our life is only the vaccine. That's why we have to give more awareness, more publicity. We have Comrade Sidor here from the IPR. They are doing a lot of things to give to disseminate the information to all the people through different form, through the painting, through the arts, through so many creative activities to reach out to the people. How the people to take the vaccine. Today we have taken the review. You cannot believe in Southwest Khasi Hills, till today the entire district, only 24 people have vaccinated. How we can save the life of the people, tell me. 24 people, the entire district. I told the DC, she was there in the meeting. I said, we have to organize, make public awareness, call the community leader, the Dorbar Shillong, call the church elders, call the religious leaders. Everybody should take part, should come on board to fight against the COVID-19.
Doctors and nurses and the health workers, the sanitation workers, our boys and girls have always been at the forefront of this fight since it all started, large March. It's a combat which has affected all of us, our families, our children. But what is significant here is, and Meghalaya Police as the head of the police force, I must put one thing on record, at no point in time, not a single person of the Meghalaya Police has ever shirked from work. In fact, they were always at the forefront. We have suffered a lot. I was just telling Honorable Health Minister, we lost 5 of our personnel to this pandemic. We have, and today also around 206 of our boys and girls are affected. 5 of them are in hospital. Notwithstanding that, it's been a great fight, and I always tell them, you see, challenges will be there in life. I'm at the fag end of my career. Challenges will always be there. But you can't shirk. You have to be part of the challenge. And that is the only meaning of existence. But here, this group has done something really sublime. It's not associated with policemen. If somebody, talks about a policeman, he says he's a singer. The first response will be some kind of a laughter. But here, when I was hearing the song, it's in Hindi. It says, Aao Khaye Kasam. The English equivalent, come on, let's take this pledge. The word kasam has 2 connotations. Either it is used as a promise or as a pledge. Here is used as a pledge. Is jang ko hum jeet jayenge. We'll win this war. Very positive. Is jahan ko hum bachayenge. We'll save this world. Now the composer, the songwriter has not ended it there. When I was surprised, he's a great policeman, very sublime. इस जहां को हम जीतेंगे, इस जहां को हम बचाएंगे, and then कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे. We'll uproot corona.
मेरे देश की वासियों आओ ले कसम मेरे देश की वासियों आओ ले कसम इस जंग को हम जीत जाएंगे इस हार को हम बचाएंगे इस जंग को हम जीत जाएंगे इस हार को हम बचाएंगे कोरोना को जड़ से मिटाएंगे इस हार को स्वर्ग बनाएंगे